Hello, my name is Stepan, and this is my submission for the All About Me coding competition. So, first I'll show my code. So, basically, what I did here, we can start with the index. I made a basic HTML document. I connected Bootstrap CSS to the CSS. I made a navigation bar, and I made items in the navigation bar and I added some text. So mainly I just used Bootstrap. And then the sections I linked them to. So first section is video games. I just copy and I edit it, and so it's just basically the same as the index. Has a navigation bar, has more items, has more text, and then BSA, Boy Scouts, I did the same exact thing with video games and index. Has a navigation bar, links, and text. And then lastly, add me, and that's basically the same exact thing. Now, mainly what I did here, I just used Bootstrap. I don't know. And then I have my web page here. I included an introduction. And then I'll read it. Hey, my name is Stepan, and I created this webpage all about me for this competition. As you can see, I created a navigation bar which has all the content about me. Enjoy. And so, first I have home, and if you click it, it just stays on this page. And then all about me is the same exact thing. And then you can go to my Boy Scouts. So I used the Bootstrap card here. And then I also included links. So BSA merit badges. Merit badges are badges that you can earn to iron onto your uniform. I have two so far: citizenship in the nation, public speaking. And then I included links here. Citizenship in the nation has its own packet. Public speaking also has its own packet. They're very unique, and I love Boy Scouts. Next, we have video games. I did the same exact thing, have a card. Here I talk about Fortnite, video games, games I like. One of the games I like the most is Fortnite. Fortnite is an interactive game where you shoot people and try to stay out of the storm. 100 players spawn into a map, and if you win, you get a fresh, clean victory royale. And if you guys would know, or would like to know, a new update just came out today, and I'm sure we're all hyped, our players. And then we also have the Add Me page I made. Discord, Fortnite, and Roblox. I have my Discord, Fortnite, and Roblox username. And yeah, and now I want to talk about like why I did all these cards and stuff. So I mainly did like yes, I just chose this because I thought it was really cool. I know I could have done something else, but I really liked it, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed my presentation on the All About Me coding competition.